Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we have the notification that is concerning to the Staff Selection Commission. We knew that SSC GD will be released from the Staff Selection Commission only, but here we have the Staff Selection Commission notification for the Delhi Police, which are useful for male as well as female. As you can see here, the last date for the submission of online has been given, that is 7th of September, and the submission online process will be started, that is August 1st to 7th, that is September. So we have near about 38 days you have in your hand, so don't worry. So go through everything, whatever the application has been given. This is everything. Examination is online mode only, and the payment has to be made through the bank only. You will have the charges of that is 100 rupees. You can see how exactly it is filled up. You have to go through ssc.in, so you'll get through that. You have to fill up the online application. So initially, as you can see, the exam will be in a bilingual language. What exactly the vacancies we have here? We can see the vacancies, that is male we have like this, and the constable executive branch, even for the ex-servicemen also it is available. On the constable executive, that is again ex-servicemen commandos, the vacancies are different, and constable for the female also it is given. You can directly go through the as per the caste, as per the whatever the notifications have. Next we have the 10% vacancies are reserved for the ex-servicemen in each category of constable. As you can see how exactly that category has been given, having served in the special forces NSG, so that those people also eligible. So qualified instructor and commando course, everything you can directly go through whatever has been given. Here age limit from 18 to 25 for ex-servicemen is different, and sports quota is different, so you can directly go through the notification whatever has been given. So overall you have to remember is, that is examination fee 100 rupees. You have to have the soft copy of the photograph as well as the soft copy of the signature, so you should have in your hand before filling up the application form, that is SSC. So here you can see how exactly ex-servicemen, meaning that is only for those people, they are aware what exactly it has to be typed in that column. Next we have the process of certification and format certificates. So it is the basis what exactly essential qualification you must have. At least intermediate you must have that. So if you don't have the intermediate, then you will be rejected for this. Minimum is intermediate. For ex-servicemen it is different. Next, male candidates must possess a valid driving license. It is one thing you have to remember. If you don't have light motor vehicle, that is motorcycle or car, so that light motor vehicle you must have that. So as on the date PE and medical, physical examination and medical test. So whoever don't have the license, please opt for it. You must have the license for this examination before applying. Candidates who have not acquired the essential qualification as on the stipulated date will not be eligible and need not to apply. So here one thing you have to remember, so you have to opt that license the moment you go for the physical examination. And next, whatever the physical test, you must have the whatever the eligibility criteria, and how exactly you have to apply is, this is the site ssc.nic.in. you can directly click that hyperlink, you can directly go through the website. So fee is 100 rupees as I had told. SC/ST candidate and ex-servicemen don't have any kind of fees, so that is very important. This will start from tomorrow onwards. Center of examination depends on the region where you stay. If it is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka or whatever the places, you can directly go through the respective places where exactly you have to opt for the examination center. Next we have the scheme of examination, that is computer based examination. So you will have the computer based examination containing 100 questions carrying 100 marks. So as you can see how exactly GK and current affairs 50 marks, reasoning you have, that is 25 marks, numerical ability, that is 15 marks, computer fundamentals you have the same. So this is one thing you have to remember, please go through that. So which is very important, computer fundamentals also 10 marks will be asked. So negative marking will be there. So 0.25 is the negative mark, that is one thing you have to remember. Next, as you can see what exactly GK, reasoning and mathematics will be asked, and computer fundamentals will be asked, because you will be having computer knowledge in the respective professional field. So your physical endurance and measurement test, which is very important, that is standard of physical endurance and measurement. What exactly you must have? It is up to 30 years, 1600 meters 6 minutes, long jump 14 feet, high jump 3 feet 9 inch. This is one thing. So you have to pass everything for male. So the standard of physical measurement as well as height has to be 170 centimeters, and the chest has to be 81 centimeters with minimum 4 centimeter expansion. That is very easy. And for the female it is different. 1600 meters, that is 8 minutes, long jump 10 feet, high jump 3 feet. So this is one thing. You can directly go through what exactly the notification says. So 157 centimeters, this height is for the women's, and rest for the men's it is 170 meters minimum, but not for the Assam and Manipur area people. Here next we have admission. Exactly you have to go through online, then only it can be successful. So please go through whatever the notification which is there, and you must have the original whatever has been given, driving license, PAN card, Aadhaar card. You must have everything before going to the physical examination. So document verification will be there if you once you get through this. So please go through whatever has been given. You have to go through each and every step. So these are the few things which you have to remember, guys. So the mode of selection, the recruitment process will consist of computer based examination. First you will have the computer based examination. Whoever gets cleared the merit, and the selected candidates will have the physical efficiency and measurement test, and then finally selected candidates will be shortlisted, and as per the merit wise. Examination will be English as well as Hindi in both the languages. So this is one thing you have to remember. So these are one important issue, that is first is written examination by computer based examination, and then followed by the respective physical examination. This is what you must go through this. These are all maximum. You can directly go through whatever the notification has been given through the internet. So this is one thing, guys, maximum. This is the one. You can't wait more than this examination procedure and filling up the procedure you have in it. Please go through what exactly it has been given. So you have to fill up, screenshot whatever has been given. You can directly go through this whatever has been given. So this is the way of filling up all this. Please go through exactly whatever has been given. This is the way you have to type everything, and you have to write each and everything as per the sample it has been given. So please go through whatever has been given. This will be very useful for all examinations. So I hope this downloading this notification will help you a lot in cracking it. If you want to download this notification, you can directly download my Defense ICTA Telegram, where you will find this notification for all competitive examinations. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. And this is the one where you have to upload your photograph as well as signature. So this is very important. What exactly the forms are required, you can directly go through them. So you can join in Defense ICTA, then you can directly download this Telegram, this whatever the PDF. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.